Let's talk about swing trading altcoins. Okay, so we're talking about the narrative rotation alpha in this video. Crypto does moving narratives, guys. So 1 week it's AI tokens, the next is DeFi, blue chips or meme coins, and traders who master this art of narrative rotation, the ability to spot hot sectors early and exit before that hype fades, often outperform hodlers and day traders. And swing trading altcoins around narratives is about timing, data, psychology, and it's not really about luck. So that's what we're breaking down in today's video. If you like the kind of content on my channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Let's talk about identifying hot narratives before they actually peak. Narratives, as we know, drive liquidity. When a news story catches fire, the rise of RWAs, gaming tokens, led to scaling solutions. Capital floods into those related tokens, and swing traders aim to spot momentum early by tracking which narratives are gaining traction in the news and social channels. And then you enter that accumulation phase before retail FOMO sets in, right? And then you get to the take profit at narrative saturation phase when mainstream coverage explodes. The key signs is sort of looking at how a particular narrative is hitting up, right? So you could be looking at things like a spike in Google Trends, search volumes, or surge in trading volumes for multiple tokens in that particular sector, or increasing mentions on X or Telegram, on Discord. And then you use social data and on-chain signals, right? Swing traders use quant style intelligence to just stay ahead. Social analytics tools like Lunar Crash and Sentiment to trade that sentiment and mentions to reveal early hype. On-chain analytics, Nansen, Acom, which show wallet behavior, token accumulation and liquidity flow. And then you've got SEX and DIX listing alerts, which hot kind of help you spot those hot trends that are gaining exposure. And then you combine sentiment analysis with on-chain positioning, which kind of creates a narrative radar, right? So this helps you as a trader rotate your capital quickly and avoid getting stuck in sectors that are already experiencing a cool-off. So some of the top exchanges for swing trading altcoins. Liquidity is everything when you're playing this game. A narrative play is only profitable if you can enter and exit quickly, right? So you need platforms like Gate.io, early listings, deep liquidity, mid-cap altcoins, KuCoin, known for uncovering hidden gems before they hit the tier 1 exchanges, DigiFinex, ideal for scalping, narrative-driven pairs and strong volume, BitUnix, K6, really good with the fees. That one, K6, is a really good exchange, really smooth experience. You've got other platforms like BingX, etc. If you want to know the best platforms, just go to our ecosystems tab. There'll be a link in the description. So you need to, at the end of the day, figure out why a narrative rotation actually works. Altcoin markets are driven by storytelling as much as fundamentals, and swing traders who rotate capital across narratives are able to compound faster than those that are holding on to one sector for months on end, right? So the goal isn't predicting the next Bitcoin by riding, but, in fact, just riding the waves of momentum, but with some controlled risk. So if you're swing trading altcoins in 2025, it's about data-driven storytelling, narrative move markets, and using social intelligence, on-chain analysis, exchange liquidity. As a trader, you can capture explosive moves and exit before that hype fades. Platforms that I've mentioned like MEXC, K6, Tabbit, KuCoin, Gate.io, DigiFinex make this strategy scalable. Make sure you get started with those platforms with the links in the description. If you want to learn more about DeFi, you can go to defi-millionaire.com and get my free book, DeFi Millionaire. Or you can go check out the other books, Tokenized Trillions, which talks about real world asset tokenization on the blockchain, real estate, equities, things of that nature. And really the first book on the market, out now for several years and still very, very relevant. Or you can check out Blockchain Applied if you want to know about different use cases of distributed ledgers across multiple industries. But check out our ecosystems tab for the best cryptocurrency exchanges, the best wallets, the best trading tools. If you like iGaming, that's Web3 style betting, non-custodial. With MetaMask, for example, you can use platforms like smart contract bits.xyz. Peace. Love.